This is for the Valentine's Day.
Okay, it's gonna be Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna be making a smaller rose. Here is the leaves from this scrap metal. There's a row bar, and this will be the rose part. Let's see if I have the time to make this today.
Everyone has a long and a hard road in life. Without friends, it would be probably too hard. Therefore, I want to make this video to all the people out there. Remember your friends.
Okay, these are now cut to the right size.
I want to thank you for your friendship.
Almost forgot to make these leaves under the rose, so this is it. Okay, I've cleaned these up. Then I would have to make this, bend these. I cleaned those with this blade.
Thank you for making me laugh.
I think this is ready. Just have to bend it a bit and make this look like it's cut from here.
Thank you for calling and texting me.
Okay, here's my base. Just a bolt there, nuts. Smallest I start with the smaller object, then I put the smallest nut that I will use here, and washer. Then I'll just attach it with this. Then heat here and bend them like that.
Thank you for being there for me.
Okay, the leaves of the rose is done. That is done. I have to bend these and see how these goes there. So clean these. Then the bolt here to the end. Okay, now that these are cleaned, we can paint these, and the red is the color.
Ask your friends how are they doing, especially in the bad times.
I think it's perfect. I think we can paint this too. It would be cool with this color, but I think the paint is good.
Say some nice words to them.
Okay, I think the paint is dry enough, so let's do the assembly.
Leave all the negative thoughts and words behind.
Okay, I try to finish this in here, in my garage, but it's very cold. So there's this metallic varnish and then some clear varnish. Let's see if that car heater does the trick.
Life is just too short, so spend the time with the people that make you happy. Never underestimate the power of friendship. Happy Valentine's Day.